Hello, welcome to this Technology Committee video on how to incorporate media into the classroom. Videos can easily be integrated into your lessons on a wide range of topics. Tools like YouTube can be used to help students explore current events on many given topics related to your classroom curriculum. Videos can really help visual learners and auditory learners grasp the subject as well as the curriculum, so this is a valuable way of recognizing different learning styles. This video will focus on activity ideas that you can use in the classroom. One activity idea that can be used in the classroom is to have students work in small groups to find a media or videos relating to any topic in the curriculum. Students could work together to find videos that could be added on your Google Classroom page to help support the curriculum in class. Another activity students could work on is watching a video designated by the teacher and then expressing their ideas and their views on this video on Google Classroom. And features for this will be shown in this video. Further, students could also have their comprehension and listening skills checked by taking a short quiz on a video and discussing the video in class. One great website teachers can use to find free videos and lessons is TED-Ed. The website allows for teachers to search on many different topics, and videos also include free questions. This is the TED-Ed page. I'm going to go ahead and log in to give you an overview of the website. Teachers could create a free account on TED-Ed. Simply sign yourself up. Once you sign yourself up, you just log in every time you try to view videos on the website. So as you can see, many teachers have created lessons and the website provides many resources for teachers. I'm simply going to go ahead and click on View All Lessons. As you can see on the left-hand side, many topics are covered so that teachers could look for videos and resources across the curriculum. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Science as today's example. Many lessons are provided for teachers to look through. Teachers could also search for any given topic depending on the lesson being taught. I'm going to go ahead and click on this video about jellyfish as an example. Teachers could simply post this YouTube video for students to watch. It could be a homework assignment or an in-class assignment or a do now. Students could watch the video, and the website provides multiple choice questions and open-ended questions teachers could provide students to check for comprehension. Further, the website provides resources, and this Dig Deeper feature here shows resources that teachers could use regarding the video and some of the context students are going to be looking at for further information. So it does provide a lot of free resources teachers could use to easily adapt media into the classroom. As a quick example, I want to show an assignment that I'm going to be giving my tomorrow's teachers class. The class is going to be focusing on special education soon as a unit, so I wanted to have the class watch a video about the autistic mind. I simply went onto TED-Ed and copied the link for the video and posted it on my Google Classroom page. I then adapted the questions that were offered on TED-Ed and I created a quiz. This is a sample of the Google form I created based on the questions I saw on TED-Ed. So I created this short quiz for students. The questions simply focus on the video so that students could test their comprehension and their listening skills after they finish watching the video I posted on Google. I was able to incorporate media into the unit by simply posting the video on Google Classroom and allowing students to take the quiz for homework. The Ask a Question feature on Google Classroom could also be used to focus on media in the classroom. Teachers could simply post an article or a video on Google Classroom and then have students discuss their opinion about the video on Google Classroom through the Ask a Question feature. To ask a question on Google Classroom, simply use the plus sign on the right-hand side and then go to create a question. Click on the button and you will have the option to post a question for your entire classroom. Instructions are optional. Students can respond to an article or a video that you posted. Teachers could grade the assignment by having a specific due date in mind. If you want students to work on the assignment as a do now, you may just have them do it as classwork. Further, students can reply to each other. So you could start a classroom discussion that is completely digital and is recorded on Classroom so that the class could go back and see what other students are citing in terms of their opinion. Students could also edit their answers, especially if they're going to be graded. They might be more mindful of grammar and how much information they're adding. Once the teacher has added any links, any additions from Google Drive, the teacher could simply post the question by clicking the Ask button, and students will be able to see the question on their stream once they log into Google Classroom. YouTube is another great resource teachers could use to find videos on any given topic across the curriculum. Teachers could simply assign a video as a do now or as a homework assignment to help reinforce any lesson being taught in class. Further, teachers could add links and resources for students to work on when they're outside of the classroom. As an illustration, I logged into YouTube and I started a search for Khan Academy. This is a great resource for teachers because they have many different videos on various subjects taught in high school throughout the curriculum. These videos show students how to work out math problems as an illustration. Teachers could simply copy the list for the video, post it on their Google Classroom page to reinforce any lesson being taught in class. As an example, my 11th grade students recently started writing resumes in the classroom. In order to help them complete the assignment, I searched for videos on YouTube to help them complete the different sections of their resumes. And I found various helpful videos and tips that I was able to post on my Google Classroom page to help students complete the assignment and reinforce the ideas I reviewed in class. To copy a link for a video found on YouTube, simply click on the share button as shown, and you're going to see a link for the video. You simply copy and paste this link and you could use it on your Google Classroom page. To post a video, simply use the features to the right of the screen. Go to create an announcement. You could have a short message written out for students and use the link button as shown to simply paste the link from YouTube. You add the link and then you simply post the video for students, and students will be able to see the video on their stream once they log into Google Classroom. It is very easy for teachers to use Google Classroom to add resources and videos for their students and to reinforce the lessons being taught in class. Simply use the link feature on Google Classroom to add videos and articles for students to help reinforce those ideas that are being taught in the classroom. As an example, this is my Google Classroom page. I not only use the page to post homework for students, I also use the page to post resources. For instance, this is an audio of the book we are currently covering in class. I use it so that auditory learners have an extra reinforcement as they try to read independently at home. I also post articles and special videos students could use to reinforce what's being taught in class. To conclude, teachers should incorporate videos into their classroom lessons for various reasons. First, teachers should routinely ask the type of questions students are going to see on the park and should allow them to critically think about media by having them discuss videos in the classroom. Further, students should be allowed to go beyond the concepts being taught in the textbook. Videos as well as additional articles will help students really get a firmer grasp on some of the concepts being taught in the classroom. Finally, many students today use YouTube as a resource to learn various lessons. Allowing students to learn through media will allow them to engage with technology in a much more useful way. Thank you very much for watching this video.